Welcome to our channel. If you need to pair a new Chromecast remote or repair an existing remote with your Chromecast with Google TV device, follow these step-by-step instructions for a successful connection. Step 1. Ensure your Chromecast with Google TV is powered on and your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. The device should be displaying the Google TV home screen. Step 2. Insert 2 AAA batteries into your Chromecast remote if you haven't already done so. Open the battery compartment on the back of the remote and ensure batteries are inserted with correct polarity. Step 3. Position the remote within 6 inches of your Chromecast device. Proximity is important during the initial pairing process for a stable connection. Step 4. Press and hold both the back button and the home button on the remote at the same time. Hold these buttons for at least 5 seconds. Step 5. Look for the LED light at the bottom of the remote to start pulsing or blinking. This indicates the remote has entered pairing mode and is ready to connect. Step 6. Wait for a pairing notification to appear on your TV screen. Your Chromecast will automatically detect the remote and attempt to establish a connection. Step 7. Once paired successfully, a confirmation message will appear on screen, and the remote will be ready to use. Test it by navigating through the interface. Step 8. If pairing fails, try resetting your Chromecast by unplugging it for 15 seconds. Then plug it back in and repeat the pairing process from step 3. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.